Hello everyone, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. Whether you're looking for healthy salad recipes for lunch or a healthy paneer salad recipe Indian that requires no cooking, no heating and is ready in a jiffy, then you have got to try out this vegetarian no-cook healthy starter recipe. You will love the crunch from onions, sweetness from honey, tartness from tomato and softness of paneer. When you combine all of these ingredients, you create a flavorful, healthy, nutritious salad bowl that is a complete meal in itself. So, without further ado, let's get right into the no cook salad recipe Indian. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications on my latest healthy recipe updates. For this simple vegetarian paneer salad recipe, you need a handful of ingredients. What is your favorite salad type? Please share in comments. Chop half onion into small pieces and slice the remaining half. Chop tomatoes, cut carrot into juliennes. Similarly, you can grate, slice or julienne ginger. Mix all of this together. In a separate bowl, take half teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I have used homemade and I'll be leaving the link in description. Half teaspoon of homemade ginger honey or plain honey will also work. If you need the recipe of ginger honey, I'll post in description. Mix the healthy salad dressing. Cut paneer into cubes. Take as much or as little as you want. I have taken just a few pieces of homemade paneer. Here I want to talk a little about the use of olive oil in healthy salad dressing. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which has anti-inflammatory properties. So you must try to include omega 3 in your diet in one form or another. Walnuts also contain omega 3 fatty acids, and so do flax seeds. Additionally, Indians are not used to adding oil to their vegetarian salads, right? But research finds that the bioavailability of lycopene content in tomatoes is increased when combined with fat. Or, in simple words, you cannot derive the benefits of tomatoes unless you eat them with fat. So, whenever you are eating tomatoes, make sure to add a little amount of healthy fat too. Spread the salad dressing on the veggies to ensure everything soaks up the flavors well. In a separate bowl, blend half tomato with mint and green chili and then mix with the salad. Did you know tomatoes and their lycopene content is believed to lower the risk of certain types of cancer? Food for thought for sure. Decorate with fennel fern. This is homegrown and adds a lot to the flavor profile. Let me know in comments if you want to learn how to grow fennel greens at home. It's super easy and this is the best time to grow your own fennel microgreens at home. You may also garnish with peanuts and mint leaves. Let the no-cook paneer salad rest for at least 1 hour before enjoying it as a healthy starter or salad for lunch for weight loss or not. This is filling and sumptuous and just perfect as a healthy vegetarian salad for weight loss. You will love the flavors. I hope you like the beginning of healthy salad recipe series vegetarian with salad dressing. I'll post different healthy variations of salad and salad dressing. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed until we meet next.